Ian here, back, Mannerside Media. It's not quite Christmas, but it's close enough for me. Christmas came early. I've been pondering doing this for years, actually, 3 to be exact. So Joe White from Joe's Mopar Distributor Restoration had the correct 1970 Hemi 4-speed distributor that I've been needing. And I had one here kind of pieced together and I wasn't really satisfied with it. And I know where I want to be when this engine is done back in the car. So I want to open the hood and make it look correct. So finally I bugged Joe enough and came across one and I pulled the trigger on it. So I haven't even opened the box yet. I did put up the video with the distributor on the machine at the Synchrograph at Joe's place in Ohio, but it just showed up yesterday, so I've been putting it off till I had a minute to unbox this and unveil this cool piece of Mopar history. So it's gonna have the last 3 part numbers, 987 on the tag. It dates right in where I need it for my engine. Again, I'm super stoked. It's got the right distributor cap. It's just perfectly restored as I'm trying to do this engine just the same. So I got the valve covers are ready to go now. I think I have basically everything except exhaust manifolds. That's the last piece, but I'm still in no extreme panic yet. We're gonna get the engine on the dyno here in a couple months, what seems like. I talked to the engine builder the other day. So without any further ado, let's crack this. Christmas time is here. Bubble wrapped, as I'm sure Joe has done hundreds, if not thousands, of distributors. Follow him on Facebook for sure, all of you. It is one of those things where this guy is truly an artist of his. Look at that awesome package there. So this is definitely, this isn't his first time he sent something out, that's for sure. So the unveiling, drum roll. Here it is. I don't do drum roll. Okay, there's a card, sticker, and then, oh man, I can see it through the bubble wrap and it looks good. Oh my jeepers, look at that beautiful piece. Now, if you're not a car person, this does nothing for you, but I'm a Mopar enthusiast. This does everything for me. Oh, is that sexy? That is so nice. So we have the correct cap, correct 1970 vacuum advance. They're different in 69, all plated correctly. There's the tag we're looking for, 987. We have the right piece here for putting a couple drops of oil to keep the bearing lubricated. The single wire is correct with the red end with the flat side to go on the coil. That is just gorgeous. And all NOS stuff here. Yep. Rotor. There's our dual points. So it's all dialed in. You can go back to the video that I have on the YouTube channel for that. Oh yeah, this is just wonderful. Now, if you're wondering, sorry, I just gotta take this all in. If you're wondering what it cost, just message Joe. Was it cheap? Well, definition of cheap is exactly that. It's a perspective and definition of, there's no real number you can put on this. Try and find one. They're definitely expensive as a core. About $1,000 American a core for a core now that needs to be rebuilt. So anyway, Joe, thank you so much. This is amazing. I love it. Yeah, just what I was hoping for. So make sure if you got a distributor that you need restored, go see Joe. Lastly, there's this card again. It was super simple. Messenger, PayPal, in the mail, done. Like, it was probably one of the simplest things I've done with doing this Hemi engine so far, to be honest. So subscribe, like, share, pass it around to everybody. Take care and bye for now.